Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic. How to withdraw Stellar, that's XLM, from Coinbase to XMO in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or an experienced trader, this step-by-step guide will help you move your assets safely and efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident handling this process yourself. Let's dive in. First off, before we get started, make sure you have a few things ready. You'll need verified accounts on both Coinbase and XMO. Double-check that your identities are confirmed to avoid any delays. Also, grab your XMO wallet address for Stellar. This is crucial, so copy it accurately to prevent any mix-ups. Okay, let's walk through the steps. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Head over to the Assets or Portfolio section and find your Stellar holdings. Once you're there, click on the Withdraw button next to Stellar. Step 2. You'll see a form pop up. Select the Stellar network. It's important to choose the correct one to ensure your funds arrive safely. Step 3. Paste in your XMO Stellar wallet address. Take a second to verify it's correct, as mistakes here could mean lost crypto forever. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Keep an eye on the fees. Coinbase might charge a small transaction fee, so factor that into your total. Step 5. Review all the details carefully, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from Coinbase. Now, the waiting game. Transactions usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, log into your XMO account and check your Stellar balance to confirm the deposit. A quick tip. Always use two-factor authentication on both platforms to stay secure, and never rush the process. If you encounter any issues, like delays or errors, reach out to the exchange's support. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn Stellar from Coinbase to XMO. This method keeps things simple and secure for 2025. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.